हरिः कर्ता।
And now let's look into the available properties for line 2D. So properties on left side and value type or on a right side. So alpha is normally we have to give the float value, and then animated it's a boolean type. Then anti-aliased or AA, this is also boolean type, we have used it. And clipbox, this is a matplotlib transform bbox instance. And then clip path, here a path instance on a path instance and a transform instance, a patch. And we have more like that, so we can use all of these properties whichever you want. Specifically, we know we have used the color and contains dash cap style and dash join styles, a dash join styles to join one to other. So either you'll go for the meter, round, bevel. And data we have used it. Data object type we have used it. Figure instance we know. Label we used it. Line styles, okay, these are the different line styles, just see. So one is underscore. Let me show, is it, if it is possible I can show it to you. Let's take any example. Yeah, let's take this one and let's try out different line styles. mm, let's see, first one is line execute. Okay, to restart the kernel. Okay, so line. Next we'll go with the this, and let me execute it and check. No thanks, I don't want to open dev tools now. Yep, this is the second type. And the third one will go with dash and dot. Let's see how it looks. Dash and dot. And oh, fantastic, it's looking nice. Yeah. And a colon, just a colon, just a colon. I think this we have used. Yeah, this is how it looks, a colon. Then we can put the steps directly here. Okay, steps is not there, something's wrong. Then other one will go for three dots. Three dots. What it is saying is not valid, format a string to marker symbols. Okay, that's fine. Let me get back to the let me put the colon and execute, and that's it. Okay, so you can actually get the exact values, and you can use any type of these methods to get different types of line styles. And we have line width, that anyway we have tried out. Then we have markers, these are the different types of markers. We used +1 type, uh, comma 1 we have used, and dot 1 we used 1 2 3 4. So these are the different marker types. And any matplotlib color, and few more we have here. We have marker size or ms, that's a float one. And then picker used in interactive line section. Pick radius. Then solid cap style, either you can go for the butt, around, or projecting. Then transform instance, visual, and then visible. After visible we have x data and y data, these are all arrays. And then joder. So these are all different controlling line properties, you can use it any of it to customize the property as it like the way you want. So what we can do to get a list of settable line properties, you have to call the setp function with a line or lines as a argument. If you call that, you will get all those. Let's see how can we get it, just to see what all settable parameters we can get it. What I'm going to do, I'll say lines and plt. When anyway it got imported, then plot. I'll just put only one. Obviously by default it will take as a y data and execute it, and this is what 1 2 3. This is a default one, and these are the values that we have given. Clear? So now we got the lines. So now what I'm going to do, plt dot, I'll use a set p and then lines and execute it, and these are different types that are available. So what we're gonna see, okay, line style, we do not have those two because those are specific. See, whatever I have mentioned, these two are not there for this data. So depends upon the data that will change, because that's why, let me show you that. Here steps and three dots can be used there because the arrays that I'm using, the x and y, uh, are not capable of taking this type of line style. So that's the reason. So this depends upon the data also. Okay, anyway, now you can see for this data, specifically for this data, what all types are available. These three, colon and completely empty, and these are a few more, offset. Okay, this is not the till, this is empty one. What is this empty one? I'm not sure. Oh, empty one is nothing but line. Okay, simple. That's okay. And fill style, you have gid and many more things. So exactly whatever we have mentioned, all those things. And x data and y data, these are all 1D array, one dimensional array, and it's visible. It's a bool. Okay, everything is clear, I guess, with this. So this is how we'll get the settable line properties, uh, settable line properties related to that particular line. Okay, 2D, line 2D.